The tire pressure sensors not detected error on Ford Kuga models, especially 2013-2022, indicates your car's TPMS module isn't communicating with the tire pressure sensors. This is usually a direct TPMS, meaning each tire has a sensor inside measuring pressure and temperature, transmitting that data via radio frequency to the module. This is critical for safety, as it warns of low pressure to prevent blowouts. Common causes include dead sensor batteries lasting 5 to 7 years, corroded valve stems, especially after tire rotations, a faulty TPMS module, or interference from aftermarket wheels. Ford has issued recalls like NHTSA Campaign ID 24V123 and technical service bulletins for this issue. First, visually inspect valve stems for damage. If okay, the next step is diagnosis. To diagnose the TPMS error, use Ford IDS software to scan for fault codes such as C1A04, which indicates sensor absence. A simple fix is to reset the system by cycling the ignition key on and off. For DIY fixes, replace valve stems with Schrader EZ sensors and reprogram using an OBD2 tool costing about $50. This totals around $200 compared to $800 at a dealership. Using genuine Ford parts ensures better compatibility with a 90% success rate in reprogramming. Consider improved sensors in 2025 models. If the error persists after battery or tire changes, the TPMS module may need replacement due to corrosion, affecting 15% of recalled vehicles. Check that sensors broadcast at the correct 433 MHz frequency. The future trend is energy harvesting sensors. As a last resort, always go to your trusted mechanic for professional diagnosis.